Hey everyone, in this video we'll be diving into the world of customer support, showing you how you can seamlessly create HubSpot tasks from new Zendesk tickets automatically. So this automation is going to save you time and it will make sure that you can stay on top of your customer tickets and resolve them as soon as possible. So if you're looking for streamlining your workflow to provide top-notch customer support, you're at the right place. So stay tuned with me till the end and we are going to set up this automation without any coding. Let's begin. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this workflow, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and you can find the link of this page in the description. From here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard. From here you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you have to give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given the name here as create HubSpot tasks from new Zendesk tickets. Okay. Now click on this create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up this automation. Trigger is going to start this workflow and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case, guys, creating a ticket or raising a ticket in Zendesk is going to trigger the workflow and the action would be to create the task in HubSpot. Okay. So in this trigger section, you have to choose Zendesk as the trigger application. Okay. Then select the trigger event as new ticket. Alright, and it will provide you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, by following these instructions written here, we are going to create a connection with Zendesk. Then we are going to capture the response of that connection. Okay, let me show you how you can do this. You can just read the instructions. This is my Zendesk account, guys. Here you will find this views tab on the left hand side panel. Click on views. Under views page, you have to click on manage views options. Okay. So when you click on manage views, this page will open up here. And here under the views page, guys, on the left hand side panel only, you will find this apps and integrations option. Click on it. Under apps and integrations, guys, when you scroll down, you will find the webhooks section. Under webhooks, click on this webhooks option. And here, guys, we need to create a new webhook. So click on this create webhook button. Okay. And then here it will ask the Zendesk events or trigger or automation. So select trigger or automation option, then click on next button. And here it is asking to provide a name to this connection. So just I am typing here testing as the name. Here in the endpoint URL, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So just click on copy here and copy the URL and paste it here under the endpoint URL field like this. All right. The request method would be post. The format would be JSON. Then scroll down here. No need to do anything here in the authentication section. You just have to now click on this test webhook button to test this connection that you are creating. Okay. So here, guys, you can see here we have an event of sample support ticket. Okay. So we want in real time also that the support ticket will be captured. So I'm selecting this only. And here we have send test button. So when you click on send test, it is going to check your connection with your workflow. Here you can see, guys, as we have copied the webhook URL here in this Zendesk trigger, here it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. Okay. So let's check our connection. Here I'm clicking on send test. And the test data of a test ticket or a sample ticket will be sent to the workflow like this, you can see. And here you can see in the workflow as well, we have received the sample tickets data. It is showing us the tag, the name, the subject, the status, the priority, the ticket ID, the description of this ticket. This is how the data will be captured inside this response section. Okay, in real time as well with these labels only. Okay. So here where connection is working fine. Now we can click on create webhook button and a new webhook will be created like this. Right. Now guys, you have to do one thing more. Just close this window and here you will find this object and rules option. click on it, and here guys you will find triggers option under business rules page. Click on triggers. All right, and here you have to click on add trigger option. Click on add trigger, and here it is asking for the trigger name, so you can give a name if you want. You can select a description and select the category as notifications, and here it is asking meet all of the following conditions. So here guys you need to specify the condition on which you want to send the data from Zendesk to your workflow. Okay, so here click on add conditions option, and here in the drop down you will find ticket option. Select ticket, and then it is asking ticket is, and here we have two options, created or updated. So I'm selecting created, so it became ticket is created. Okay, this is the condition on which the data will be sent from Zendesk to the workflow. Now guys you can click on add action. Let us read the instructions. All right, we have to add an action as well. So here click on add actions. Now from here you have to select this option. Let me show you this one, notify active webhook. Select this notify active webhook option. Here it will show you the name of the name of the connection that you have created already under apps and integrations page, the webhook connection that you have created. Select the name was testing. Select the name of the connection. Then it will ask to provide a JSON body which is going to carry the data from Zendesk to your workflow. So here you can see in the instructions only we have this JSON body data. Just copy this data guys and paste this here between the curly braces. Okay, right. All right guys, after that you have to click on create button. Why it is not showing up here? Okay, so I think I have to give a name to this trigger as well. So I am giving the name as, let's say test trigger. Now scroll down here and click on create button. Alright, so you can see that test trigger was created here, and here we have received the data of a test ticket. Okay, so let us just capture the data of a sample ticket that we can create manually. Okay, so I am clicking on recapture webhook response here, then click on yes button, and here you can see it started showing waiting for the response again. Now let's create a real kind of ticket. So here I am going to switch to my home section here. Okay, so this is the ticket section, and here let me just manually create a ticket by clicking on add new ticket. Here guys you can see you can add the name of the requester also. So I have selected a requester here. You can assign this ticket to your support group. Okay, I am assigning to support group. Here you can provide tags. You can select priority. Okay, you can select the type of the ticket. So let's say it's a problem. Here you can provide the subject of the problem. So let me type the subject of the problem is problem only. Here let me type the description as this is a test problem. Okay, alright, and after filling all the data, click on submit as new, and here you can see the ticket has been generated here like this. The subject is problem. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data, and here you can see we have received the data in real time as well. Here you can read the ticket's title, the ticket status, ticket's priority, the ticket ID, the support group name, everything is here. Now guys, with the help of this data, I want to create a task in HubSpot. So search for HubSpot here in this action window. Okay, here is HubSpot CRM, and here you will find an action event which is called create a task engagement. Then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with HubSpot, and here it will ask you to select your account's name. Select that account name, click on choose account, then you have to provide some additional access to your account, and you will be connected with HubSpot. Alright, so we are now connected, and here it is asking for the task subject, task body, status, and all these things. So I am going to use these labels I have received here to map the data here in the second step. Okay, so just click on this task subject, and from the first step you can see that is appearing in the drop down. Just map the title as the subject. For the task body, use the same way. This is the description label, map it in the body section. Status would be not started by default, okay, because the ticket has been is just getting raised. Okay, the object type, here you can see the object types, and my object type is ticket, so I'm going to select ticket here and I'm going to paste it here. All right, if you want to provide reminders, you can provide reminders in timestamps. All right, then it will ask for the priority, so the priority will be high because these are the customer tickets. And is active, yes, it is true. And here guys, you can see all other details. If you want to use these fields, all these fields, you can use them. Right now I'm just going to map the bare minimum things so that I can show you the demo how the task will be created in HubSpot. So guys, here you can see this is the task section of HubSpot. Right now I have one task added here. Let us just check our connection. I am clicking on save and send test request button here, and let's see if a new task is going to add in HubSpot or not. So this is the response we got. Let us see here. I'm going to refresh this task section of HubSpot, and here you can see we have got a new task added here named as problem. Okay, and when you open it, it will show you this, something like this. Okay, and here you can see guys, when you open this panel, the side panel, in the tasks performance, you can see we have the two tasks here, and you can see the task details here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that guys, it will work automatically whenever a new ticket is going to be raised by your real customer in real time on Zendesk. The task will be created in HubSpot automatically, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.